In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar using Trello. By the end, you'll have a simple, repeatable system to plan, schedule, and track your content from idea to published. Start by heading to your Trello boards page. If you're not already signed in, do that first so your changes are saved to the right workspace. From there, look to the top of the screen and click Create. This opens the new board setup. Give your board a clear, action-focused name, choose the correct workspace, and keep visibility set to private if you're collaborating internally. Pick a background that's easy on the eyes, then confirm to create the board. Click into your new board to open it. Now it's time to shape it into a content calendar. Set up lists that reflect your workflow, like ideas, writing, editing, ready, and published. Keep it simple to start. You can always refine later. Add a card for each content piece you're planning, such as a blog post, video, or social campaign. Open a card and add a short description to capture the goal or key points. Use labels to mark the channel, content type, or priority. Add a checklist for production steps: research, draft, assets, review, so nothing slips through the cracks. If you collaborate, assign members and attach files or briefs right to the card to keep everything centralized. Next, click on Planner. This brings up your planning space where you'll manage scheduling for your content. Inside, look for focus time. Use this to block dedicated work sessions for deep tasks like scripting, editing, or design. Treat these blocks as appointments with yourself. Make them realistic and leave buffer time to avoid stacking tasks back to back. Now choose the date and time. Set a due date on each card that represents your published deadline, and if available, add a start date to capture when work begins. Align these with your real publishing cadence, weekly, twice a week, or monthly, so your calendar view stays balanced. If you promote across multiple channels, note that in the card or add a separate checklist item for each platform. Finally, click Save. This confirms your time blocks and due dates and updates your board so you can visualize everything at a glance. As you progress, drag cards across lists to reflect their status. That movement becomes your live production dashboard and makes it easy to spot bottlenecks early. That's it. You've created a Trello-based content calendar that's clear, flexible, and easy to maintain. Keep it updated, review it at the start of each week, and you'll always know what's coming next and what deserves your focus today.